Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to remove a song from a playlist on Soundcloud. Now there are two main ways to remove a song from a playlist on Soundcloud. The first way is by removing the song individually, and the second way is by editing the playlist. Now let's look at the first way. To remove a song individually, what do? First, open the playlist from which you want to remove the song. Next, locate the specific song you want to remove within the playlist. Then, to the right of the song's name, there will be three vertical dots. Click on these dots to reveal a menu. Select Remove from the playlist from the menu that appears, and the song will be removed from your playlist. Second method is by editing the playlist. How do you edit your playlist? Open the playlist from which you want to remove the song. Click the Edit button, which is located near the top of the playlist page, often represented by a pencil icon. Locate the song you want to remove within the list of tracks, and to the right of the song name there will be an X or a minus sign. Click on this to remove the song from the playlist. Once you've removed all the desired songs, click the Save button to apply the changes to your playlist. By following these steps, you can easily remove any song you no longer want to include in your SoundCloud playlist. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.